I'm here to make a bold prediction. My prediction is by the end of June 2023, this year, Bitcoin will be at $45,000, which means it's going to be 50% more than what it is right now. That might not sound that bold to you, but a $15,000 premium and a 50% premium over what it is right now in 2 months isn't a bad bet. As you can see, Bitcoin's already gone up to pretty much 30,000. It did like yesterday, went back down suddenly, has a lot of fluctuations, but it's around $30,000 already. So what that means is Bitcoin really wants to be at 30,000 or above 30,000. There have been some movements from MT Gox and other wallets to actually bring it down, but it can't actually keep Bitcoin down very long. There's a lot of demand in the market, especially as the traditional finances have completely just failed to some people and banks are collapsing down on themselves. They want something that is outside of that, and they see Bitcoin as something outside of that. Now, you might be saying, but you know what? They should look at the rest of crypto as well. But that's talking to us in the cryptoverse. Most people don't know that much about crypto, so they're going to be looking pretty much solely at Bitcoin. And that's fine because generally the whole market moves with Bitcoin. If they're buying Ethereum or buying another coin, that might move up that one coin. But if they buy Bitcoin, they move up everything else. So we should be perfectly happy with that. And there's actually no problem with that at all. And eventually, some of them will want to research more and they'll filter into other coins. So this is a big, big plus for us. Like, don't just be like saying, hey, you know what? Bitcoin's getting all the good stuff. We're getting screwed. You are not getting screwed if Bitcoin's going up because your coin's going up as well. Likewise, you Bitcoin maxis shouldn't be like, well, they're just riding off our coattails. Let me tell you something. The market wouldn't be nearly as big if Bitcoin was the only coin out there. Let's be real here. A lot of these people just use Bitcoin as an on-ramp to buy other coins, and they wouldn't even be in the market buying Bitcoin if the other coins didn't exist. They need each other, all right? Like the market needs Bitcoin, Bitcoin needs the rest of the market. Yes, Bitcoin dominance is going to fall throughout the years, but that doesn't matter because the price of Bitcoin is going to keep rising, and that's what actually makes the headlines. So that being said, interest rates are going to stop rising because the Fed is afraid to make all the banks basically fail. And they're seeing interest rates do that. Like if they raise interest rates again next month, which I think they might by 0.25, and another bank goes kaput, which I think there's a decent possibility, they'll definitely stop this summer. I think they'll definitely stop this summer anyways. Originally, they were going to stop in the fall. But ever since Silicon Valley Bank, First Republic, and all that other stuff, I think they've been giving a stern warning. A lot of the senators and congressmen are telling them to stop. And I think Jerome Powell is actually listening right now and looking at the situation as it is. He should have done that a long time ago, but that's, not for me to decide or not for anyone else to decide, except for Jerome Powell himself. So with that being said, I definitely believe that the time is basically now to actually get in, especially if you want some summer bull run experiences. Chinese coins might be a good choice, but most coins I think would be a decent choice because I do think Bitcoin's going to get up to $45,000, $50,000 by the end of June. And maybe at that time you want to sell out. And I do think it's going to collapse towards the end of the year back to 30,000 or so and then go up from there. But my bold prediction is Bitcoin to 45,000 by the end of June. And we will see if it happens or not. I actually did predict Bitcoin to 30,000 by the end of February. Didn't happen until March. So my prediction might actually be delayed by a month or two as well. But I solidly believe that Bitcoin will get to 45,000 by the end of June. So let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.